Sometimes many students not attend the online classes because the students are not interesting. And offline students are came daily basis because students are knowing everything. Yes. Because study is important, not internet. Every time you use internet, phones, so your focus is going to outside other informations, not focus on teacher.
My name is Vaibhav. You can also upload videos that many people can see your videos that you had uploaded firstly, and then you can say that I will do live class on next day, and you can give a date and time to take live classes. You can also do
Online time, sometimes people are facing a fraud peoples. Okay.
But teaching is
YouTube channel.
Not fraud, I know that. Sometimes
YouTube channel is not fraud.
interesting. You taking interest.
If you have any YouTube fraud YouTube channel, your YouTube channel is banned by YouTube. Okay.
yes. It is.
So you can upload videos, not live. You can't do live. If you upload videos, that's not a fraud. Okay, it was
I know
restricted
that
by
YouTube not fraud, but it's YouTube have so many teachers and students also following this teachers.
And
English
there are many.
classes taking and math teachers also that.
Some students are that they do not understand by these teachers. They can take classes
Yes,
from
I know
another
that
teachers.
some.
That
So
if you will search one
so
thing on
only
YouTube, there are many
you
videos.
take offline classes, so you only face only one teacher and explain your this question because I don't understand. You take online classes, so you can't understand.
Okay. Yes. Then your name, huh? Then
My name is Weber, and
your name is.
Weber. There are some students who can afford the tuition fees, so they can take online classes by NGOs. And if they do not, if we are studying offline and student will not pay fees, the teacher will not get profit. But if a teacher is teaching online, that he would get money by advertisement of different companies, not by the student.
Good point. Great. Clap for him. Yes. Next. Anyone? Yes. Yes.
My name is Neha.
Can you stand? Can you stand?
My name is Neha. And in Corona time, children become a very weak mentally due to internet.
Okay.
This is my point. And cash payment is good because sometimes extra money is deducted in online payments. So that's
Yes.
why internet is not
Not
good.
good.
Yes.
पॉकेट मारने हो गए
So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Payment, online payment is not good.
Sir, on YouTube channels, if you like any teacher that he was teaching you by good methods, so you can also give him super thanks by online payments. This is not fraud. And in shops, if you have no change, so you can also do online payments by Visa. Visa is a new method that the owner of the shop will get a token, not your number. Card number and all information. It will only get a token, not any information. That she was saying that it can be a fraud. Visa is a great example for not be a fraud. And Paytm is also is secure.
But
You can also use.
But internet is not important because internet harms birds. Like one movie make a Akshay Kapoor 2.0. This movie gives a moral. Internet is not good.
I am hearing Akshay Kapoor first time.
Akshay Kumar, sorry. This is my mistake. Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, he is actually Kumar.
Kumar.
Not Kapoor.
Okay. If you are saying that that I also agree that many birds and animals are harmed by these methods by movies and that. But some that you are saying that Akshay Kumar harmed the bird. Then you not know the situation after this. Then you know the situation after this. He donate about 2 crore rupees to the bird charity for their treatment and more things.
Yes, but I mean to say internet is not good. Why I am using internet? Sometimes you don't have internet, so you purchase a one English book and you can read that book. You can improve your English, not because you download the PDF on your phone. So you show your phone all time. Your eyes health problem increase. Okay. You one information randomly, one information came from your phone. So you connected your friends and you talk in your friends. Okay,
With your friends.
with your friends.
Yes.
You forget.
Anyone?
And you
Yes.
forget ki what are you doing.
Yes.
All words are not available in
So you
dictionary.
purchase a dictionary.
But
All-
dictionary
all-
takes so much time research.
Yes.
Find it.
In dictionary, that we come at 11 p.m. So
Okay.
there is no such more time that I will come 11 p.m. to my house and then I will sit to find words in dictionary. There will take 2 hours, 3 hours. When will I eat my food?
Yes.
And when will I'm in high post and I had to and I will wake up earlier. You are I'm right. You will also agree. So I have to I have to wake up earlier. So I will come 11 p.m. and then I will see my dictionary and I will make my food also and eat food. How can it be possible?
But
I am a person. I am a normal person, not a robot.
internet was created by humans. If humans were not created by the internet, then we
Firstly, you have to make answer from your mind, not from mobile.
no. I am using my mind, but my English not good, so I am using on Google.
Yes.
You are using internet.
You are also using internet. There is a correct
big reason.
big and a
So
correct
I'm not
example that
using.
you're using
So I'm
internet.
not using internet.
Wow.
I mean to say, internet creating by humans, not humans, not internet creating humans. So that's why I am living without internet.
Okay, I can.
I can live without internet. Internet not important for our life.
For happiness.
For happiness,
in our life.
like that.
Internet is not,
While driving, people are facing accidents and use the internet, phones also, and earbuds also in the ears, and listening of music, not to clearly to driving also.
Okay.
So that's why people are so many accidents on roadside.
He's saying that you get information over accident over
Many times.
internet.
He said many.
Many people download songs their phone, and
From
they
internet.
Yes, from
No, sir.
internet.
no sir, but they don't use that time internet. They listen song offline.
Okay, offline. But you listen the song. And you
But internet is
Sir,
not the
you listen the song, na? So you can't listen the behind the people's are horror.
only.
So you can face the accident.
Yes.
This is on the people how they use internet. If we don't listen song while driving, then how we got a accident?
It's carefully. You driving it clearly?
Yes.
You will focus on the driving.
Yes,
Yes.
you will focus on your driving.
Use internet.
We don't
Sir,
use
I
internet
saw
that
so
time.
many people are using for internet
Okay.
while driving.
This is on the people, not. This is the issue in the people, not on the internet.
If a person is driving while he or she is on call, so police charge fine from him or her. So police make fine because for not accidents. It can be a cause of accident. We also agree, but police fine charge.
Yes. Please will find the charge. Yes.
Phone have a settings you restrict child setting also. If you have a small child, you on a YouTube child. YouTube child it's also come a app
Yes. YouTube made
for children's content.
These are children very smart and quickly he's searching where is setting option and on the off. It's depend on his mind.
If you have a app lock, so you parents only know about app lock.
Children
Children's
are
not.
very smart. The children are said to the parents, please unlock your phone. And recently he saw that the password what is
So I need to say something. If children know about the lock screen password, how he can know about the app password?